sideways, I use this position for my advantage. Okay, usually most of the things we learn is like straight. Okay, straight. Everything is straight. But when we are sideways, we don't waste time for adjusting and then doing it. From side itself, some things can be done, right? So this part doesn't touch, a little sideways, not a lot. See this much only. People say it is blade of the foot. And this side, no. If you kick with this side, this is a very fragile bone. Okay, ये पतला सा है, ये टूट सकता है किसी का कोनी या फिर कोई घुटना लगने से. This can break. We will not hit with this part. We will hit the bottom part, this area of the foot, right? This area, like this. This is the target. This is the target. Not this. Not this. Not this. This. What is the difference? ये इधर से आ रहा है. ओके, ये ऐसा यहाँ से नहीं आया, ये आया यहाँ से. It's not like this. It's not like this. It is like this. First it goes to opposite shoulder, then it kicks. See? Like that. See, just imagine like this. आप जमीन को कैसे kick करेंगे? How would you kick the floor? See, very simple theory. How would you kick the floor? Like this, right? Just try yourself. Not too hard, just kick the floor. One. Not too hard, just kick. Just for understanding. This is how you would kick, right? Would you kick like this? Would you kick like this? Would you kick like this? नहीं ना? जमीन को कैसे लात मारोगे आप? ऐसे ना, सीधा. ये सीधा. इसको इतना ही इमेजिन करना है. जैसे आपने जमीन को लात मारा ऐसा, वो चीज थोड़ा सा ऊपर करा है. So first उसके हिसाब से स्टेप सेट करेंगे, and then similar to this, I am going to do that here. Okay, sorry, I missed. Okay, I missed. So what we do? One, same thing here. Turn. Okay. You understand? It is like this floor slowly came up. This, and then finally this level. Okay, everybody understands now? करके देखिए. Not like this. First lift this opposite side, then kick. It is almost down, opposite to that. Heel up, toe down. Not too much. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. देखिए एक बार सुनिए, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा. A little more than parallel. Here. So when I do that, automatically what happens? Body turns. I'm using the glutes, and your kick will go straight. Okay, when you do this, this meaning is your body is not turned. Okay, your body is not turned. If you turn your body enough, you can do it like this. This is not enough. This is not enough. Turn, then shoot. So with the sideways position, either pushing. Pushing is easy. This is my hip. Okay, this is my leg. Back leg and my hip is same level. Same level. What will happen? Not a very powerful kick. It will be like this. This is like a equal and opposite reaction will happen. I will go back. This will also go back. Okay, because I am straight. Okay, that is what happens. Say I am standing straight and pushing. Okay, if I stand straight and push, this will happen. But if I bend forward and push, okay, power is that way, structure is made like that. So what we do is, back leg and hip is not in same line. Hip is a little inward while you are kicking. See, I don't kick like this, I kick like, see, if you pause in that moment, you will understand. Back leg is here, and my kick is somewhat like this, and hip is like here. Back leg and hip, it is here. But this much gap is there. Then only you can use it for pushing, and some damage can be made. Okay, otherwise like this also you can use, no problem. No problem. Whatever works is good. But if you want forward pressure power, hip goes inside. See? Same thing if I do from here, my body will go like that. Because what? The punching bag is also pushing me, na? This is the pushing side kick. What is the hurting side kick? How do you hurt someone with the side kick? We aim at the stomach region, stomach, rib cage, lower region. This is where we aim. This side. We're putting the heel there. See? It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be 1, 2, and 3. If it happens, good. Otherwise, just this also means heel to somebody's rib cage. Here. Right? It hurts when you do this.